Welcome to the PSL Pass. It's a season finale. Orbit College 0, Orlando Pirates 2. Member, the face said it all. You are happy.
I'm very happy. This season, I'm very happy. I don't want to season like this. Angajabula ngijabule kakhulu. Mangabe shoti Pirates la idlala draw. Inhliziyo zethu beziyoma. Khuphuka ama high blood, khuphuka ushukela. Imsipha le. Yime. Ama paramedics azosilanda la. Bekunjalo nje. Bekunjalo. Imsipha la yima. Hayi ukuthi sifa. Ngokuthi shayiwe sifa. Ngalento le besoyibona la. Ngoba sabona ithathe line up azange saba happy. Sayibuza ukuthi bakhawula uphi. Uhodo uphi. Ubani ulo uma hopo uphi ulo uhodo uphi ulo ubani lo ubani oladlala besweni umakhawula na.
Yeah, Makhawula.
Number 3 number 9 umahodo. Sayibuza ukuthi baphi labo bantu. Ngoba sadlala following 2 games. 2 games sawina kudlala labo bantu. But siyabuya sidlala nani sidlala nelo netapesiti watshintshi line up sangabi happy sathrowa le viki lonke le asikaze sibe right.
Uyiwinile treble, uyahamba or uyasebenza?
Mina in my side this coach inama surprise and ama surprise akhe sometimes ngiyakamsebenzela sibela ukuthi ahambe. Mina in my side because nama surprise inama surprise akhe ngesikhathi ngakamsebenze lawa started from the season 2 games ileague ngaba sithathe kudala kudala but ngoba unama surprise what you win against Stellenbosch away waqina nini ezeBhakania yo waqina nini ngitshela ukuthi waqina nini ezeBhakania mawina aweke leso team leso why you change Thina zasibisela ngezinhliziyo lezi siwela ma-paramedics azosilanda ngama-ambulance.
Wathi uzobabulala?
Because why? Uyabona kuthini kanjani? Angikho happy sibonile but what must go. What must go.
What? Thank you, Bhakania. Go and celebrate.